Hello.
For Mother's Day, we asked a simple question. If our moms had to explain our jobs in de-extinction, what would they say?
Well, it's very, very secretive.
I've seen you pipette the heck out of some stuff.
Yeah, you bring back dead animals.
I know you work with chickens.
This is
Mom, what do I do in de-extinction?
So first thing, look at the camera
Okay.
and tell me your name and what you do here at Colossal.
So my name is Alexis, and I'm an associate scientist embryologist here at Colossal.
I am the manager for cell engineering of the thylacine project. I am a research associate at Colossal Biosciences.
I am a senior research associate and a cell engineer.
And I'm an animal care specialist at Colossal Biosciences.
I'm the vice president of artificial womb technology.
So what do you think your mom's gonna say when we call her and ask her what you do at Colossal?
I think my mom would just say that I work with cells and that I'll put DNA in cells, and I think that's all that she knows what I do.
Oh, she works with embryos and devices, and that she kind of does work similar to Jurassic Park.
Oh, she takes care of animals.
My mom was a high school science teacher, so she does know a little bit about science. She's probably not up on CRISPR techniques and things like that, but she'll probably know that we work on doing something to help gestate animals.
Something along the lines of that I work with dinosaurs or extinct species. I think my mom is actually gonna nail this. She has always been such like a supporter of mine, and she hears all of my gossip and stuff. And I think she's actually gonna get it so spot on.
Now let's call Mom.
Okay, let's see what she says. Let's see if she picks up.
I'm like, wow, she doesn't answer me.
Hi, Katie.
Hello.
Hey! Hey, Mom.
Hi, Morgan. How do I video this call?
Can you hear me?
Hey Mom, how are you?
Hey, Trevor, I'm fine.
Hello.
Hey, Ma. Do you know what I do at work? Do you know what I do at Colossal? Uh-oh.
There's animals that you want to bring back from extinction. So you are working on using different samples. Either it might be tissue or DNA, I don't know. Remember, you're asking the business major, not the science major in the family.
You work at Colossal Bioscience, and you care for the lab animal, along with other things.
It's all about genetics. I know that you're working with sperm and eggs, and
You bring back dead animals.
A little bit, yeah.
it's an amazing thing you're doing. I love it.
I know you work with chickens, and I also looked at the relationship with chicken. It also gives us eggs. So you're even looking at some type of fertility, but you're also probably looking at the fact of fertility in relationship to cardiology studies. Am I close?
You're getting there.
Yeah, you grow cells to make sure they're okay, that they don't die.
Do you know what else I do besides just like growing them? Do you know what I do with them?
No.
She edits genomes so that she can get new creatures to express traits from old creatures that do not exist anymore. It can also be done, though, with other creatures that are just decreasing in numbers, and we're going to try to conserve their population. But you sometimes have to go to a host species that's very closely related and just figure out which of the actual genes need to be edited in their full-on genome. And she's so smart that she does such a good job with it.
Oh, thanks, Mom. What do you think that entails in more detail?
Well, that's quite a bit. You have to take care of their nutrition. You have to make sure that they're enriched and with activity to make sure that they're healthy and they're in a good environment.
Yeah.
For the mammals, what do you think we do to try to grow those?
You probably go back into DNA And when you go back into DNA, you extract certain things that way.
If we're trying to grow the animals from embryos, what do you think we try to use?
Another mammal.
What if we don't have access to the right kind of mammal?
Then you're going to have to do a lab situation.
Yeah.
To the secret lab!
What about like what I do specifically?
I think I've seen you pipette the heck out of some stuff. I think you grow cells and you nurture them and you feed them what they need to be fed. You also analyze them to make sure that they are doing what they're supposed to be doing and expressing what they're supposed to express as far as which kind of proteins come out of your edits. And if it looks like it's on the mark, you push it forward and keep it going and see how it goes.
That's it.
Way to go, Momzilla!
I actually do is I do use samples from current species, and we try to bring back species of interest using similar species that are here today, and I take those samples and I create stem cells and iPSCs, and then we can edit those cells and hopefully bring back species of interest.
Awesome.
Well, starting off of my job, I get cells from like blood and tissue, and then I grow them up from there. I do see how to like take care of them. Like I'll test out like different medias and see what they like and the best way to like edit the cells and like how to like transfect them to put the DNA into them.
I have to provide basically an animal's whole worldview to the highest welfare standard.
We try to make an artificial womb, which is sort of like making an artificial mom, because we have to do everything that moms do. You have to provide blood flow and gas exchange device like your lungs, pumps that serve as your heart. So to make an artificial womb, we really need to replicate everything moms do, and it's one of the toughest jobs I think we could ever come up with.
Oh, yeah. I mean, women are complicated, or females are complicated. It's not just a little nest, but it's so much involved in connecting what you're trying to gestation to the womb, in which the womb is going to be connected to.
Absolutely right.
My role is delivering the editors to the cells of interest for the thylacine project now is my main focus. These are cells from the fat-tailed dunnart. Monitor their growth and recovery after editing while keeping them healthy, because at the end of the day, the next step in the pipeline is that we hand these cells off to our embryology team to generate edited animals from these edited cells. So the cells have to be really high quality and healthy and have a normal genome. Like you mentioned, we do all of that QC in order to make that happen.
Exactly.
You crushed it. I knew you would. I had every faith.
What I do here, I work with sperm and eggs, and I work with a few different species. I'm culturing them to certain developmental time points, and once they reach the point that we're satisfied with, we transfer them to the ex utero devices, which are basically like artificial surrogates, like mom. But I just wanted to wish you a happy Mother's Day and just tell you how grateful and thankful I am that you're my mom and that you've just pushed me to continue to follow my dreams and really do the impossible here.
I'm just so blessed to be your mom, baby girl.
Oh, stop it. I'm gonna cry. Cut. All right, I'll call you on my way home. Bye.
Bye, baby girl.
I just want to say thank you for everything that you've done to support my career, from just encouraging me to get through school and supporting me through every job that I've ever gone through, and just always telling me to follow my dreams. I appreciate you, and I'm excited to see you for Mother's Day.
I love you very much. I think you're an awesome human being. Very compassionate.
Thanks, Mom. I love you.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right, happy Mother's Day, Ma. Thank you for being so smart. That made me be smart.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. Bye.
I always want to tell you, like, you've always been my #1 supporter, and every step of the way in my journey as a person and also as a scientist, I would not be the woman and the scientist that I am without you. And I just wanted to say thank you for always supporting me.
And likewise, and I really mean likewise, I wouldn't be the woman I am if I didn't have you.
Okay, you are not allowed to make me cry at work, first off.
It's the truth. It's the truth.
Well, I love you so much, and thank you so much for everything. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Yeah, love you. Bye.
You know, I wouldn't be here if it weren't for your original love of science from when you were a science teacher, and all the time and energy you sacrificed for me to go get my education and make it through my career. I just wanted to finish up by wishing you a wonderful Mother's Day. We'll see you soon.
Okay, love you.
Love you too, Mom. Bye.
I just wanted to say happy early Mother's Day, and thank you for everything that you've taught me and the drive that you've given me, and always making me push boundaries and telling me to work hard.
I know, and Morgan, you have made us so proud, just as all of our kids have made us so proud, because you're so determined in what you do, and we're just so proud of you. So have fun, and don't make me cry. Jeez.
All right, well, I love you, Mom.
I love you too, Morgan.
Thank you, moms. You gave us life, and we're out here working to protect it. Even if you're not exactly sure what to tell the neighbors. Happy Mother's Day.